Hey guys, it is Nuclear Apple here, and today I am doing a tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel. Now, this video was requested by my friend named Kylie, and she is going to be creating her own YouTube channel sometime this month. And if it doesn't come in this month, it will happen in January. I will put her name in the description down below, and once the channel is created, the link will appear in the description, but the link will not be available until her channel is published. So, let's get started. So, you go to YouTube, just normally. It's like, you're just like watching videos now. This is an email I just created. It's my test. So, my little like test dummy. So, what you would do is, you would just like be on YouTube, and then you're like, want to go to create your own channel? You would go. So, this, as far as I know, this is only available on computer. I like to have it on dark theme, just because it feels better for my eyes. And so if you go over here and click on your little account in the YouTube tab, you will see a button that says create a channel. So once you do create your channel, it will say, I think it might say your channel. So this is what you would do. So like, you just like put in your name. So like, for example, there. This is not going to be an official channel. This is just a test. This channel will be deleted. So then, yeah, you could also click upload a picture. I'm not gonna do that right now. So then, yeah, see, so then your channel is being processed. So now you just gotta wait, and there it is. So you start with no subscribers. You can customize channel, manage videos, and you can do whatever you want here. So then what you would do is you go to customize channel. Then it takes you to your YouTube studio. So when you go to dashboard, see, this is what it looks like. There's little like tutorials that help you and stuff. So then, yeah, once you upload your first video, your most recent video will appear here, and you'll get like new subscribers here, and then like things like that. So then, like, what you would do, you just like click the create button, upload or go live. If you ever go live for the first time, you gotta, so yeah, like this is normal. Then you like after you record, you upload your file. So I use OBS Studio for my creator. This is what I use to record and like edit my stuff, like my mic. At the end of this video, I can like show you like how to set this up. That way my friend does not have any problems with that, so she can record. So yeah, what you would do is just click select files. Then you would just like, wherever the videos are, just click upload like this. So I'm just gonna upload a random video. So I'm gonna put something like this is how I set up mine. And then you just have like a description. Just like, you put whatever you want here. This is mainly like, what I do for it is just like, I don't really do much with it. Sometimes I put like some little messages in here, or like I put like my Discord in down there. Then when you upload a thumbnail, I gotta verify this really quick. So yeah, what you would do is you would verify. You have to get your phone number verified. So you would want to get texted. That's like the easiest. So just put in your number. I'm gonna go put in my phone number right now. Okay, so as you can see, it sent the code. I'm not showing the whole screen because I don't want to show my phone number out there, but so I go on my phone and I got a message from Google, and it's my YouTube verification code. So then I would enter that in. So 147504. Now, as you already know, everybody's code will be different. So there you go. Now that it is verified, you may now. Yes, feature has just been enabled. So when you go to upload thumbnail, just this is just a random picture I got off Google. Then you could like add it to a playlist if you want to. So this is something. If you want to like have comments or things, just put like this. This is how I have all my videos. It's perfectly okay. And then what you do is just like add text. So it's like what the video is about. So I'm just gonna say like Kermit or like Legos or like Gary's Mod Gaming. Yeah, things like that. Then you don't really have to mess with this, but if you want to, you can just put English. Then you want to just click on this and click enter, and it will instantly enter in the date. What it's about, I'm just gonna say gaming, put the game, Gary's Mod, and then whatever you want for this, just like that or whatever. And then next, then you can like add previous videos or anybody else's videos, cards, or just like videos of like stuff like that. And then your video will be checked. And then over here you could do private, so only you can watch the video. Unlisted, people only with the link, or public, everybody can see it. And instant premiere is like there's like a certain time until like the video starts playing, and then you can like watch the video with the YouTuber, and there's like a live chat or something. And then like a schedule, you can just like schedule whenever you want it to be updated or whatever. So yeah, that's something like that. Then you would just click publish. So it's still processing. So then as you can see when and yeah. And it's processing. Then you could like view it on here, and as you can see it's still processing, leave a like or whatever. And yeah, stuff like this, and just comments. Yeah, since this isn't a real channel, I'm just gonna delete that. And then yeah, you could go to things like analytics or comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, and then customization. So this, you can like make a video and then set it for like a trailer, or then your featured video for returning subscribers, basically like a video that's on like your front page. Or like it will like appear like red up here or something. Then like a trailer, and over here you can just like have sections like your short videos, your uploads, or like channels, popular videos, live, past live streams, upcoming, single playlists, and all this, subscriptions, featured channels, and yeah. And then this is an audio library where you can just put audios into your videos, and yeah, that's basically how you start your channel. And then you click here to go view your channel, things like that. And then so when you go live, you gotta click this, and then once you do that, you have to wait 24 hours until live streaming is available. So that is a thing that happens. But when you do that, you do have to wait. You have to wait. So this is what you have to do. You have to click go live. That way it'll take to this screen, and then it will tell you the stuff. And then I will make a video tomorrow on how to connect any live streams to your recording service or whatever you use. I'm using OBS Studio, so I will show that later tomorrow. And yeah, that's basically that's just how you start your channel. So now I am moving on to how to use OBS Studio. So yeah, see, this is what my channel looks like here. So it's like comments, and recent subscribers, and then published videos down here, and then content, and then my customization looks like this. So I have a featured video for returning subscribers. I will change that soon. Then I have my popular uploads, live videos. This actually go away. Past live streams, uploads, and then your short videos, playlists, and then I have my YouTube friends, feature channels, and then all my subscriptions. Those are the things that I have here. Oh yeah, and then you want to click publish, and it will save it all. And yeah, so that's how that works. And then with your OBS Studio, so in order to set this up, you would get it and then you have nothing. So then, so like here. So this is how it would start. Where your mic was would just, yeah. So, as you can see here, it was a black screen. You couldn't see anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to enable this screen. Hold on, this is a black right now. I got to enable screen, display capture. There we go. Now you can see my screen. So that's what's right here. Then unvisible, visible. Yeah. So then you can add here, and then you got audio input, and then it's just like things like mic. There you go. Just things like that, yeah. And then you can like change it right here. So like if you have like a text, or no, not that. Text, and then it just like says something. If you want it to go behind the video, just drag that down and there you go, or drag it above. Then you can also select the window and shrink it, make it bigger. Same with the text. You can just do this. And yeah, that's mostly how that works. So, and then there's a lot more things about OBS Studio I'm not going to be showing right now, but these are just some of the main things that I am going to be showing. And yeah, so also you go to settings, and then as you have here, you go to stream, set it to YouTube. You would have it as this. Then you would go to use stream key. Oh, well, first you gotta connect to your account. Yeah, it's like that. Where is it? Right there. So then you would click allow, then it works. So then you go here. Okay, so it's connected to that account. So yeah, there you go. That's what you would do. And then sometimes you could also use just a stream key, or you can just connect to your account. So yeah, then you would click apply. And there you go. And as you can see here, this is actually something I have not done before. So there is a chat. Oh my god. I don't know how to move this. Yeah, it's just like a window or something. So like, Just gonna put that all the way over there. Or like, yeah, just have it like a... Yeah, whatever. So, yeah, that's most of the main things. You can also just add more screens, like my other screen, things like that. So, yeah, anyways, that's gonna be all for today. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you, or, wait, I hope you guys, I hope this video was helpful. I will put the name of the YouTube channel in the description below. Once my friend gives me the full name and her channel, I will put it all in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.